Welcome. This video will show you the steps involved in configuring the team dashboard page in the web office using the web office admin. This page allows you to control which widgets and tabs are displayed within the Associates web office team dashboard. Let's get started by logging into the web office admin. To be able to configure this feature, the user's role needs to have View and Edit enabled for the team dashboard page. Clicking the Team Dashboard tab in the Page Configuration section will navigate you to the Team Dashboard page. This page is where you add tabs and widgets. To add a new tab, click the Add Tab button in the Tab section of the page. This will open the Add Tab pop-up. Add a name for the tab. Once an entry is added, you can add translations by clicking the Translation button. The options available are the languages configured to your company. After all this is complete, click the Save button. A tab will automatically display on the page when a widget is assigned to it and published. You can click and drag the tabs to change the order they will appear on the team dashboard page. To add a widget, click the Add Widget button in the Widgets section of the page. The only required field to complete in this pop-up is the Widget drop-down field. The other sections help to provide additional information and allow for deeper customizations to personalize the experience for your associates. Choose the widget you want to add to the team dashboard from the widget drop-down. Then determine which tab this widget will be organized under. The rest of the settings are Multi-Faceted Configuration, or MFC. These settings allow you to customize this feature in a variety of ways, such as customizing its display based on an associate's country, language, user type, status, and rank. You can also base the feature's display on an associate's tree relationships. MFC can even customize a time limit of when the feature begins and ends, or have it always display. In the Custom Configurations field, you can configure this feature to display by adding variable strings related to an associate's data. Click the Learn How tab to see a Help Center resource for help on how to write the syntax. Click the Publish toggle now to publish immediately after saving, or you can publish later within the team dashboard list. Click the Save button. The widget you added appears in the team dashboard list, where they can be edited and deleted. Once the widget is published, the tab it is categorized under will automatically be published. Click and drag them to change the order they will appear on the page. Let's view the team dashboard on an associate's web office. If you happen to have a web office page open for testing at the time that changes were made, and notice the changes haven't occurred immediately, simply refresh the web office page. Clicking the Team Dashboard tab in the Business section will navigate you to the Team Dashboard page. You now know how to configure the Team Dashboard page in the web office using the web office admin, allowing you to control which widgets and tabs are displayed within the Associates web office team dashboard. For more in-depth videos, tutorials, and how-to guides, visit the Help Center at help.directscale.com. And thanks for watching.